Hello my little lovies, welcome back to my channel. Today we're in my car and we are going to Puerto Rico. We have this is like a little mixture of little apps. There's a tamale, papa rellena, and then an alcapurria, and then I got, please hold, I'm trying not to make a mess in my car. Arroz con gandules, of course, pernil, and then chicharrón de pollo. So let's get it in because you already know the deal. Your girl is starving. So, alright, we're gonna try. Hold on, let me put this down first. Problem when you do car stuff, you know. All right. Oh, well, making a mess. All right, so I'm not really a tamale person. I don't know why. I just never really liked them. But I read the reviews of this place, and they said the tamales were really good. So we gonna see. We gonna see. Maybe I should have unwrapped this before. Because one hand then, I feel like the plate's gonna flip over. Oh, resuming. So that's how the tamale looks. It has like meat in it. I think that's beef. Oh, there's olives in here? Okay. It's not bad, guys. Not bad at all. It's actually pretty good. Where's that chicharrón? I'm not sure what it is, but that's good. Guys, I've never liked a tamale before. I dirty my chili. That's good. Mama come. Yes. The place I got this food from is called the Freakin Rican. Such a cute name. I'll put their info down below. Go down a bit so you guys can see. I ate the whole thing. Tamales you have to eat hot because if not, you're not good. Okay, this good right here. This is their alcapurria. I'm used to them being like little. I fell in love with these when I went to Puerto Rico, guys. I have some hot sauce. Let me drizzle some of that on there. Yes. That hot sauce is really hot, but it's so good. No. I got comments when I had mofongo in my Dominican video that it was Puerto Rican. Personally, Dominican food and Puerto Rican food are so similar to me. It's hard to, every time I'd be like, oh, mofongo's Puerto Rican, they'd be like, now it's Dominican. To me, mofongo is Dominican. Pernil is Puerto Rican. I don't know. That's just me. At the end of the day, you guys, your foods is basically exactly the same. Just like a lot of Latin countries. Just like if you speak to a Peruvian and Ecuadorian and you ask them who invented ceviche, they're gonna be like, oh, we did. They're not gonna agree, guys. So, my bad if I offended anyone. And to drink, we got agua. Because, you know, I'm trying to stay away from soda. Alright, let's try this papa rellena. I want to. That potato tastes like box potato. Hold on, maybe I didn't get a good bite. No, I think it's real potato because I did see just a piece of skin. I just don't think crazy about it. Maybe with some hot sauce. I don't know, it's something weird. There's like something in there that doesn't belong in there. I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna finish that one. Let me put the hot sauce on this one. I'd be mad picky, guys. Mad picky. Trying not to make a mess in my car. I think people think I'm leaving when I'm not. Okay, this is arroz con gandules, pernil, and the chicharrón de pollo. Let's try the chicharrón de pollo. It looks good. It's dark meat too. I like that. This is some kind of sauce. Let's see. I love Puerto Rican food. I love Spanish food, period. Oh, wait. I think this is for my salad, guys. Yeah, this is for my salad. Salad dressing. I thought it was like salsa de ajo. But it's salad dressing. There's some pollo blanco. Very moist. But how are my lovies doing? I'm so sorry. I know my manners are crazy. Look at this pernil. Oh yeah, take a bite. Take a bite. Oh yeah. Okay. Moist. That's good. Damn, I wish they would have given me a little piece of skin. Oh my god, the hot sauce almost fell on me. This is good. I see you, freaking Rican. Honestly, I wish I would have gotten two tamales. Because it was banging. You got a girl that never likes eating tamales. Watching another one. Just a little hot sauce. Oh my god, guys. First of all, TGIF. Second of all, tomorrow's the last day for the giveaway. So if you haven't entered, you still have a chance. I'll be announcing the winner Monday. But it's Labor Day weekend, guys. Do you know what that means? That means summer's over. That means traffic's gonna go back to crazy because kids are going back to school. That means Halloween's coming. And Thanksgiving. And Christmas. And New Year's. But maybe I'm getting ahead of myself. But I just can't believe how fast this freaking summer... Oh, excuse my language. How fast this summer flew by. I literally... I feel like I just blinked my eyes and it was over like that. So crazy. Still more. My teacher on the board is good. I hope I don't want to hear nobody in the comments talking about pernil is Dominican. Pernil is Spanish, period. Okay? Okay. So I don't want to hear it. Boom. Don't be coming at me. Because I'd be so quick So quick to kung pao people. Very good. Savage mode, guys. Don't you hate when people stare at you? Like, that has to be one of my biggest pet peeves, is when people just stare. Right. Wanna help you? You wanna ask me something? Do I owe you something? Oh man. What am I doing this weekend? What are you guys doing this weekend? What are the last final summer things you guys are doing? I know for a fact all Staples, clothing stores are going to be packed because parents are going to be getting their kids stuff. So I wanted to go shopping, but I'll wait. Or I'll do it online. This pernil is slamming. But yeah. Honestly, the weather this summer wasn't all that. Barely any pool days or beach days because it was so cold. One time this summer, I literally went to the beach in sweats. I'm just saying. Because it was freezing. Yo, I just want to let you guys know how I teared it up. Serious, guys. The arroz con gandules is good. It's not dry. Because sometimes some places really dry out the rice, but theirs is on point. I tore it up. I'm full. So I would get everything again except the papa rellena. I wasn't crazy about it, which I didn't even know it was a Puerto Rican thing, but I guess everyone has a version of papa rellena because Peruvians do too, but I don't eat the Peruvian one either. So but yeah, the tamale slamming, and everything else was slamming too. Freakin Rican, I see you. Alright, my lovies, don't forget, give this video 2 big thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend to join the fam bam. And until next time, remember, let's spread positive vibes, good laughs, and yummy eats. Peace.